Hello, my name is S.Soorarjitha. I am from IHM Chennai. Today I will be making stuffed dosa with Karamat dosa mix, Karamat tomato makhni mix, and brown gravy and white gravy mix. And I will be making chocolate stuffed Gulab Jamun from the Gulab Jamun mix from Karamat. So for the stuffed dosa, I put dosa batter mix in water and I rested it for 20 minutes. Made pudina chutney, coconut chutney and green chutney, and this is the pudina chutney. I mixed it with curd. And the coconut chutney, I mixed the instant powder with water and I tempered it with curry leaves, mustard seeds and green chilli. And the green chutney, for which I used the coconut chutney mix and added water, and I used ginger garlic chilli paste. I am using the makhni mix to make paneer makhni. So I have some cut paneer and some jeera to temper it with, Kashmiri chilli powder and some spice mix given in the Karamat mix, the makhni mix. And then I have white gravy mix here. For both I added the paste and I mixed it with water. And this is the SHAMI KEBAB mix, for which I used chana dal and carrot. And this is the brown gravy, for which I am going to use corn and carrot and peas. And for the Gulab Jamun, I am using the normal Gulab Jamun and coffee flavored Gulab Jamun.